A power crisis in India causing hours-long blackouts, impeding manufacturing lines and triggering street protests is predicted to continue for months. It may add strain on the nation's economy. Electricity outages and curbs have spread across more than half of all states, and the nation's coal-dominated energy system is expected to come under further pressure. Even with a temporary respite from the intense heat wave that drove temperatures as high as 46 degrees Celsius, disruptions persist in households and businesses as coal stockpiles diminish at power plants and fuel imports falter on prices that have increased since the war in Ukraine. High coal and oil prices can add to inflationary pressures that instigated RBI to make a surprise move yesterday to lift its key policy rate. Production of coal, the fossil fuel that accounts for more than 70% of India's electricity generation, has failed to keep up with the energy demand that erupted from the heat wave and the country's post-pandemic industrial revival. Further, a lack of railway carriages to transport the fuel from mines to power plants aggravated the shortages. According to the Institute for Energy Economics and Financial Analysis, stockpiles at coal-fired power stations have plunged more than 14% since the start of April, leaving about 100 plants with critical supply levels. Reserves are predicted to reduce further on high demand, and that will be followed by a monsoon season from July. Monsoon rains triggered a previous power crisis last year, which also caused widespread electricity curbs when coal mines and roads were flooded. According to India's Power Ministry, electricity demand hit a record 207.1 gigawatts on Friday and is expected to rise to 220 gigawatts within the next 2 months. Average spot power prices at Indian Energy Exchange have jumped to about rupees 10 a kilowatt hour, which is almost triple the average in January. Rajasthan CM Ashok Gehlot said that at least 16 of India's 28 states have been grappling with power outages of between 2 and 10 hours a day. Maharashtra is witnessing worsening blackouts. Anger over patchy electricity supplies prompted protests across northern state of Punjab. In the coal mining states of Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh, many industries are cutting output or running backup generators with expensive diesel. Blackouts have struck key population centers including Uttar Pradesh, and even where supplies are slowly improving, like in Karnataka and Kerala, connections still aren't guaranteed around the clock.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.